Meet Fluffy. It's Cerberus, that's Fluffy. He's so cute. He's got different colored eyes, and of course they're devilishly, or maybe that's the, you know, coloring from the hail dog, because that's what Cerberus was. And each dog has his own eyes, and they have these lovely fangs. And yeah, they're a little pointy, they're not like razor sharp or anything. So, he's super cute. And he does stand up well by himself, even though he's top heavy, of course. So, do you need Cerberus, aka Fluffy? Available in our shop.